here we have placed the sodium hydroxide, okay, and now we will take that. This is our oxalic acid, okay, this is our oxalic acid, and next we took the calcium hydroxide. In this we have got calcium hydroxide, okay. Now we need your sample. Where is your sample? This one. This is your sample, and we will pour this in this and make a solution of this. We need only very small amount. This is your lemon juice, okay. We took the lemon juice and now we will make it aqueous solution. That is, we can make the water in this, okay. So here we are taking this water, and this is our wash bottle. In that, drop by drop we can get the water now. So it helps us to give the water. As we will press this, the drop by drop water will come out, and we can make a sample like this. We have made the simple salt, what is that? Lemon juice, okay. Lemon juice solution, we made that, and this lemon juice solution can be used for the experiment now. Now similarly, how can we identify that which one is acid, which one is base? So for that, we cannot use the experiment if it is not in aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means it should be, some water should be there. As we are placing here water, okay, it will become an aqueous solution and it will dissolve now. So now we can identify it is acidic or base. All the samples are in the same color. All the samples are lesser bit, it is in white in color, okay, or now it will become colorless. So this solution is ready now. Similarly, I will do the same thing with the other one. Okay, and we will dissolve this. This is our oxalic acid. You remember the name, okay. In the middle I am keeping this one. This is oxalic acid. And what is this? This is our calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. And again we are putting this water and it will become a solution of like that. So now you can tell me, this is oxalic acid, it is given. Already it is given oxalic acid. So we can, but we have to find out that what will the reaction of that with the oxalic acid and this all. So high concentration is there. We can put the water and make it dilute. Okay, so here we are making it now. Now let's see that what happened to that. Here we have got, so here this is our universal indicator solution, okay. What we can do that, this help us to find out which one is acidic, which one is base. We have got, one of your friend has brought, okay, that is vinegar, okay, and this is about 10 to 15% about that. And its high concentration is here, acetic acid, and this only consists of vinegar, okay. And this vinegar, let's us now take that. First one is, what is that? Sodium hydroxide. Second, oxalic acid. And third one is calcium. So sodium chloride, that is salt. Sodium chloride. Here, sodium chloride that we are using in our daily life. Now let us see that one by one, what will happen. If you are taking first sample, what is that? Calcium hydroxide. Now let us put on that. If you are putting some solution, what will happen? Drop by drop. We are putting red. We are putting red color. You see that? It is red in, na?
Yes, sir.
Why it is becoming fully blue in color? So this is base, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Now same thing I took. And now what I am putting that, what is that? Oxalic acid. It is a very weak acid. So we can identify the color also. And now let's see that, what happened to that. It is red in color, and what happened to that? It is becoming blood is, okay? Oxalic acid. Now come to the another, same thing I am putting on that. Sodium chloride. What the color will be? What the color we are observing now? Not yellow, green. It is little bit green, okay, dark green. Okay, it will be dark green, or you can see that. Now come to that another one. What is that? Our lemon. This is acid or base? Let's check it. Let's check it. As we will pour that here, it will turn into red in color. So we can identify it. We come to a conclusion that what the color we are observing. Now come to our acetic acid which we are using in our kitchen. So let us see that what the color will be. Acetic acid. It is orange in color. So here we are getting the color about that. Different type of substance has different. Okay, let's take one our detergent also. So one of your friend has brought the detergent also. Oh, it is falling. So let us take, I think some branded it is okay. I don't know that. So here also we can take the water and make the aqueous solution. Because if it is not in aqueous, we cannot identify what it is. Okay. I don't know what it is. Let's check that what it is. And now let us pour that and find out what it is.
Base.
So your detergent color is also base. So it is clear now about that. So what we have got here, the different color of, so what is the base? Base are blue in color, and the salt which we are taking, it is coming to light green or deep green and green, okay, or it has become dark. It has become dark. It is neutral. And salt is always neutral, and that we call neutralization reaction. The color will be, it is greenish in color, okay, it is green in color, you can see that. Even after mixing it is becoming, okay. And next, as you are going for the lemon juice, it is acid in color, acid, and this one is our vinegar which is orange in color. So you can note down the color, different colors in your copy. Note down now. Let's take about the water. Let's take about the water. What is the water? It is not the pure water, it is our tap water. Let's see that what will the color of water. It is something dirty, so we cannot take this one. We can take another one, clean one, and put the water in that. Okay. Here we have got the water, and let's put the same solution again, drop by drop. Okay.
It is also neutral.
It is also neutral, and it is becoming green. Okay, let's see again. Let's see again, because the water is contaminated with that. Okay. So again we are putting this, and it should be becoming, okay, greenish type color it will be there, and it may change because it is a tap water. So it is now clear, everyone. Now it is clear. So all of you note down, okay, you will now note down in your copy everything. Okay, please stop the video.